morning this time. It was like,
Oh my God.
This might
So,
kill you.
so what time is it right now?
right now it's 5 o'clock.
Oh my gosh. Crazy. You're like so off.
Yeah. Okay, it's good though.
Oh boy. All right. We were already kind of going through the quiz, sorta.
Okay.
Have you had a chance to look at it, Matt?
Yeah, so I went through the chapter and watched the videos and
I don't
all
feel
that.
like the quiz has
Yeah.
anything to do with the chapter and the videos. So maybe I'm totally missing something, but maybe it's just this one question, but I feel like I'm an idiot.
Oh.
But even my husband's like, I don't understand. I don't either.
Oh my gosh. All right, let's see.
But it's like, I want to say it was like question 6 or 7 that we got to, and I was like, I don't even know what to do.
Okay, so let me see. 7. If P equals
But I'm
1
still
over
trying to get
4.
my computer back up and loaded after it crashed.
And are you
So
talking the group meeting quiz?
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
The smallest n that satisfies the requirement.
oh my gosh.
Oh, you know what? I think so Jennifer, for number 7, the one that's if P is 1 over 4, what's the smallest n that satisfies the requirement? That one?
I don't know, because I'm still trying to load everything.
Wait, is question 3, each slice represents a category in the area of each slice represents a portion of that total occupied?
Yeah.
Third one?
Yeah.
How was the exam for you guys?
I got an 85. I was pretty happy.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
It wasn't too bad, but I didn't have any way to open up the question.
Oh, the SPSS.
Yeah, it was terrible.
Oh, that's right.
So do you know when our next test is?
I haven't looked. I'll bet about 3 to 4 weeks, because we've only got just over
6
a month
weeks.
left in this class.
Oh my gosh, yay.
I know, right?
Yeah. I think this group project is what's stressing me out now.
It doesn't look like it's going to be bad. It just looks like it's going to be taxing.
Yeah, I just don't have time for this.
Right. Right.
I barely have time for just regular class stuff. And throw on a project. Ah! Gosh.
Okay, I think I'm finally loading here. Sorry, that was ridiculous. It was question 8. So maybe let's start at the beginning and let's just go down.
Okay.
Okay, so for 3, I got each slice represents a category of the area of each slice.
Yeah.
Is that what you guys have?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then I have the bottom one, the only difference between a bar chart and a Pareto chart.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. That's as far as I got.
And then, okay. 5, I put sample proportion.
I think 5 is the true proportion.
Okay.
Because I have written here, P is true population proportion, which is the mean of the distribution of P hat.
Okay.
If sample size is large, the sample proportion. Yeah, because P hat, I think, is the sample proportion, but P is the true proportion.
Okay.
Yeah, I think
according
so.
to my notes here.
Yes, I think you're right. I literally just guessed on that one. I'm not going to lie to you.
6 is the sample size?
Yes. That's what I have.
Yeah.
If P equals 1/4. Seven was the one that you were wondering about the most?
No, it was 8.
It's 8?
8, 9, yeah. Once I
What'd
get
you
there.
get for 7? Oh, you haven't.
I got 14 for 7. And I did 14 because that
meets the.
Yeah, that was the lowest number possible to satisfy the requirements.
Okay.
Oh, did you do the square root of p times 1 minus?
4, 7.
Yeah, which formula do you use for that?
I didn't use the formula.
No, that's just the satisfy the requirements, like n times p needs to be greater than or equal to 10, and n times 1 minus p needs to be greater than or equal to 10.
I feel like we
Right?
started
Like that's
one
what you went
before.
from?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you just kind of like throw numbers in there?
No, I did it
Or did you-
logically in a
Okay.
logical sense because it had to be what? Greater than 10. What is the, I don't have my notes in front of me, so I can't even tell you. I feel like an
Yeah.
idiot. Let me find my notes.
Okay.
Okay, so on that one, I took, yeah, it has to be greater than 10.
Yeah.
So then if you put the 10, it was ended up being
I
like
see.
13.33, but it had to be the whole number. So it really needed to be 14.
Oh, I see. What are you
I mean,
talking
I could be wrong, but that was how I figured that
And
out.
you're looking at 3.2.1 in the chapter
Let's see.
Sure.
where it's NP
Great.
greater than or equal to 10.
Yeah, Matt, yes.
Okay.
Let me get my chapter up.
Use the following information.
So this is where I got stuck.
Okay, let's see. Oops.
P. Oh wait, you could go. Let's see.
So any wisdom you have is fantastic.
0.4 times 1 minus 0.4.
The mean.
Divided by.
So which formula are you trying to figure that out with?
So I'm doing standard deviation of p bar or p hat equals square root p times 1 minus p over n.
So that gives a standard deviation, but sample portion p is normally distributed.
So it says what is the mean of p hat? And then right
Yeah.
above that formula it says mean of p hat equals p. Oh wait.
So wouldn't p, since we're given p of 0.4, wouldn't that be the same as p hat?
I think
That's
so.
that's how I understood it. And I actually put
Yeah.
in 0.4, but then it didn't make sense on question 10 and 11. So
Okay,
I don't,
fine.
yeah.
Oh.
So I put in 0.4 for number 8.
And then I think 9 would be 0.1.
Okay, that's what I put in.
0.1?
So, I mean, at least we're all on the same page with this.
Yeah. Okay, so 10.
So 10, wouldn't that be 0.3? Around
Yeah.
to 2 decimal places.
Well, yes, that's what I have, but I feel like I'm doing something wrong with it just because when I got to question 12, it just didn't equal out what I thought it would. So maybe I'm doing it right and I'm just over guessing myself. Matt, are you still with us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just.
We just lost you for a minute.
I think that p hat is the same. So I got 0.3 for 10.
Okay, so
Number 11.
Standard deviation.
It's not.
Seven. So I got for number 10, no, sorry, for 11, I got 0.046.
Okay, that's what I have.
Yeah.
And the z-score for that.
So we want
Oh wait, can we just plug that into the?
more
No.
than. Yeah, you
Yes.
should be able to just plug that into the applet. Greater than. So we want the right side. Oh. Right? 0.482. Did I do that right?
That's not what I got, but this is where I started getting confused. And when I'm like, did I do this wrong? But I took my answer out, so I had to throw it back in the applet.
Oh, no, wait. Okay, no, I haven't gotten there yet. Sorry. I
Are
missed
you
a step.
plugging in
I missed a step.
0.04? Wait, that's not. Yeah, I didn't calculate the z-score yet.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah. So once I
35
calculated the
hits.
z-score, that's where things got weird for me.
Uh, Wait, for z-score, did you do x bar minus nu over sigma divided by square root of n, or did you do a different formula?
No, z-score is p hat minus p over that standard deviation one, the p times
Oh,
1
we can
minus
talk
p over
math.
n. Oh, shoot. Go, Matt.
Him and that Wi-Fi, dang it.
Yeah. All right. I'm just not sure which one is p hat and p.
Yeah, so I did the p hat for the z-score. I did that the one that was in the lesson that showed you the different z-score, how to do it.
You did which one?
I gotta find the one. Sorry.
I just missed like the
Back
last
my notes.
minute.
Sorry.
We haven't gotten very far. We haven't gotten to the z-score yet.
Okay, so
Are we supposed to utilize the fact that she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at-bats?
average is point.
Probability she will get more than. The z-score is p hat minus p over that standard deviation
Yes.
equation.
That's what I
Okay, so p proportion.
so
Wow,
Wait,
having a huge brain fart. P.
so you don't have.
I guess p. Uh,
Oh, wait. Okay, so we have
That's
P
wrong.
hat minus P.
Sample value minus the mean sample value. Yeah, because it's almost like if we did this equation, it would be 0.3 minus 0.3 over
Yeah,
the
that's-
standard deviation.
Yeah. So this is exactly where I got last night, where I'm like, okay, what am I missing here?
Yeah.
So then I went back and I watched all the videos again, watched the lesson video of him doing all the problems from the homework.
Yeah.
And I feel like I'm missing something.
Yeah. We are.
And it seems like it should be really easy. And I actually was hoping I could spend the day this afternoon just going over this, but my day got crazy. So
Yeah.
Wait, did you get for the z-score negative 5.543?
I have not gotten a z-score. I don't even know what numbers to plug in for P and P hat.
So what I did, so in the textbook 2.3.1,
2.3.1.
in which one?
in chapter 16,
3.3.1?
yeah, so it goes P hat minus P divided by the square root of P times 1 minus P over N.
Right.
Okay.
And when I plugged that all in, I got negative 5.543.
Well, what numbers did
Okay.
you use for P hat and P?
I used what we put down for 11 and 10.
Okay.
Oh, shoot, one's the standard
No,
deviation.
because that's the standard
Right.
deviation.
Right.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Yeah. So I had made an Excel of actually that exact equation and put the stuff in, and let me pull it up. Now I'm remembering that I did that. And it just wasn't working. Okay, so I put in, the 3.3, the 0.3 minus 0.3, and then you put it underneath, you divide it by the square root of 0.3 times 1 minus the 0.3 over 100, and I ended up getting like 1, and it just didn't, then you put it in the z-score, it just doesn't work.
Mm-mm.
Let's see. When I did the same problem, I got 0, which
I got
still
0.
doesn't work, but
Yeah.
um,
I'm moving on to 14 right now.
Okay, I feel good about that.
Yeah, I can't linger on that too long.
No, I agree.
okay.
So this one's kind of like one of the videos where he was using the 50% as, I think, the P hat. or something,
Yeah,
right?
I think so.
That's what I think is what we're missing in the other equation. We're missing what that number is supposed to be. Oh, whoops. Let's see. For 13, did you guys get 0.350?
I didn't do 13.
I just did 35 divided by 100. Isn't that the probability?
Yes, it
Yeah.
is.
I didn't write it down. Oh yeah, there it is. P is a point estimator proportion. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute.
Standard deviation of p hat equals
P hat equals.
second square.
Can we go back to the other equation real quick? I just maybe something ding dinged.
Okay.
The p hat is equal to x over n, basically what we just did on that 0.350.
Okay.
So shouldn't we be doing that with basically the same thing? We want to determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at bats. I think that's, again, to get the p hat is 35 over 100, 35 divided by 100, which would be 0.350.
Okay.
And so that will give us the number that we're missing to get our z-score.
Okay, so then we're going to put that p hat in the 35 point.
Let's try the 0.35 as the p hat for our z-score calc.
Okay, that
Okay.
gave me 1.091.
You already got that?
Yeah, well, because I made an Excel sheet for it because I'm kind of nerdy. But
You're
so
fast.
Yeah,
It pays to be nerdy, man. Fast.
no
yeah, I wish
joke.
I was nerdy enough to understand this. So,
Okay.
do you want
So
me to
you got-
share this with you?
No, it'll confuse me.
Okay.
You can share it with me if you'd like.
I will share it with
Yeah.
you, Matt. You will like
Send
it.
to Matt. Okay, so you got
Okay.
one point what?
let me pull my Excel graph again. I got 1.091. So you do the way you do it, and then let's make sure we're good. So let's not go off of my stuff
All right.
because maybe I'm doing it wrong. As long as I put that 0.35 in the right place.
1.091.
Is that what you got?
I got 1.087. It's close.
Okay. Close.
And we did 0.35 minus 0.30. Oh, no, got to do minus 1. Just kidding. Wait. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
P hat minus P. So 0.35 minus 0.30 over standard deviation, which we have as 0.046, right?
Okay. I don't know because I don't know where you're at anymore.
Okay, I'm doing the z-score calculation.
Okay. So you've got the 0.35 minus the 0.3.
Yeah.
Okay. Over the square root of 0.3 times, well, I think I've got the wrong number in there. Hold on. Nope. I had the right. Times 0.3 with the parentheses, 1 minus 0.3 over 100.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I have.
0.046, right? As that number?
Put better print.
No, that's not what I got.
Okay, wait, let me.
Did you get that, Matt?
I didn't put my parentheses in right for this.
Oh, but did you get the email I just sent?
Oh, oh shoot. Okay.
0.046.
1.091. Yeah, that's what I got. Let's see if we get.
You got 1.091?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I also did 14.
Oh, good.
Okay. Yeah, I got the email.
Okay.
Thank
Is that
you.
what you, does that help? Does that look like what you just did?
Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I just put into my calculator.
Okay. So that should, you should be able to put in the P hat, and the N, and it calculates it out for you.
That's so nice.
It's kind of great.
It's even color coordinated and everything.
I know. Yeah. It's that nerdiness.
You are a nerd.
Oh, right. You have no idea. When I run, I listen to audiobooks. It's a bad deal.
Mhm.
Okay. So then on 13, go back to that.
So that one should be 0.350, 35 divided by 100.
14, I mean 13,
Yeah,
0.350.
yeah. Right?
Or do we have to plug the z-score in?
We should have to
Oh,
plug the
probability.
Z-score in.
Yep,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I don't know
Okay,
why.
that's okay. I'm like,
Yeah, no, my bad.
but maybe not. Okay, so we plug the Z-score into the probability app, correct?
Yeah, 1.091. And we want the right
Yeah.
side because we want greater than, right?
Correct.
And we got 1.138.
7,
8.
8.
Yeah, 0.138.
Okay.
And
So
that's
is
what
your
we
family just like
for-
waiting for you to do your homework so you can go do stuff?
The what?
Is your family just waiting for you so you can go do stuff?
No. No, they're all asleep because they
Right.
live in Africa and they don't have the jet lag that I do.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
And it's
Got
5 a.m. So
so they're ready to get up. So they're going to be like, move it.
yeah.
Okay, I just
probably
totally did
like
this
2
wrong.
hours.
Okay, so on 12, we need to put in the true Z-score, correct?
12.
So
1.091.
yeah, okay. I just want to make sure I'm on the same page.
Yeah.
And then the probability,
0.138.
yeah, 0.138.
Okay, yeah, that's what I've got. Thank you.
Okay. So standard deviation. What's our
Z-score.
P? P is 52. I got a standard deviation of 0.0112. Oh, 0.011.
That's what I got also.
Yeah, that's what I have.
And then z-score, I got 0.002.
You got what?
0.002.
Okay.
0.002.
Yeah.
Okay, let me. Okay, wait. Your z-score is 0.002? Not the probability? Wait.
Oh,
0.0.
wait, time out. I think that I did the standard deviation. Is
Because I'm
0.00. Z-score.
I'm getting minus 1.786 when I
Okay,
hand calculate it.
that makes more sense to have a z-score of 0.1786, but
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. Let's see. I need to redo
okay,
this.
so you got a negative what?
Negative 1.786 because I took the
P hat.
50% of the boats as the P,
Okay,
as the 0.50 minus 0.52 over the standard deviation we got of 0.0112.
Otherwise, yeah. Oh, wait. So you took 0.5 minus 0.52 divided
Yeah.
by the standard deviation? Or not
Yeah.
the standard deviation, the...
Yeah, the standard deviation.
Oh, yeah. Value
Yeah,
minus mean.
yeah,
We have...
to get z-score.
Wait, I think that So p hat minus p, is that not 0.52 for p? And then p hat is... Isn't p hat the same thing?
Oh, I did it backwards. No. P hat minus P. So P hat, this question is like the video where he used the 50% as the P. I don't know if you remember that. Because it was the point where he needed 50% either way to...
okay.
I can't remember how you said it.
So we do...
That's what I got as the P. The P hat.
Okay.
I don't know if it's right. I'm just going...
So that'd be 0.5 minus 0.52
is what I did.
divided by... Oh, wait. I need to put some parentheses in here.
I did 0.0112.
Oh.
Okay, so
Negative 1.818.
Well, see, that's what the question, because I was just looking at that. So when do we round it to 3 and use that number, or do we round it to more? Because yeah, doing 0.011 gets you the 1.81818. If you did 0.0112 for standard deviation, then 1.786. So that's my question, I guess. Where do we round it?
Here,
You know what I mean?
I'm gonna try to not round it at all. Oh wait, how's that?
Jennifer, you have an opinion on it?
I don't, because I'm reading actually. Sorry, I'm
You're
trying.
reading? Oh, okay.
Yeah, just
So if
trying
I-
to see.
If I don't round it at all, like, so then it has like the 0.011. Let me see, 1171392. Then I get negative 1.79028.
I know it's
So I
kind of
guess we can kind of just plug it in and see what it's.
Right. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? We get it wrong.
I know.
Negative 1 point.
All right. So for number 15, are we going to go with the negative 1.786?
I'm gonna go with negative 1.79, and that's I think like the exact answer.
Well, but it says to
Needs to
round to
be
3
3.
decimals.
Yeah.
Oh, negative 1.790 because it's a negative 1.79028.
Okay.
So I can try that.
These are crazy. My gosh.
Maybe we're all just getting burned out on this stupid crap.
Oh my gosh. So bad. Well, it's
Nobody
like,
watches this
which
and-
calculation's right, you know?
Right. Right. I agree. And it's
'Cause it's-
frustrating to me.
And it's
'Cause
like the same thing, but if it's a computer that's saying if it's right or wrong, then it's like,
Yeah.
what
Okay, wait.
exactly does it want? The P, the true P.
So 0.01.
So we have to plug negative 1.7. Oh, shoot. And then that plays into roll too.
Let's do minus, like Matt, minus 1.790. I'm okay with that one.
Okay, so on 16,
Should we plug that in? Minus.
isn't that.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I can barely hear you.
Oh,
I lost you for a minute. Like everything you just said for the last few minutes gone.
oh, we didn't say much.
Oh,
Did you get the minus 1.790?
yes.
Okay,
Okay.
that's as far as we got.
Okay.
So now we're plugging into the applet. And are you just shading what's underneath? What's below?
Let's see. Let's see. What's the
Is it-
question?
it's
Getting
blue.
less than 50%. So yeah.
So that'd be 0.037.
0.037. Yeah. 0.037. 0.037.
All right, I'm submitting to check and see.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, let us know.
How bad is it?
I know.
What? We missed number 7.
That's it?
And
Oh,
7
and
and 10.
7 and what?
7 and what?
7 and 10.
Okay. 7 and 10. Okay. That's pretty good then. I'm feeling good,
Oh.
better about this situation.
You know what? What did you put for 10? Because it says round to 2 decimal places, and I have 3.
For
For 10.
10. Oh, I think I only put to 1 decimal, but I think that I actually put 2. I
Okay.
put
So
0.3.
don't we have the answer as 0.3? So would we go 0, 0?
For where?
Or do you
What?
think that's totally wrong?
For 10? What did you have as your answer, Matt?
I put
For 10.
0.3, but I'm pretty sure that I put 0.30.
Okay, I think it's 0.35. I think that's what we ended up with.
Oh,
Okay.
For 10.
Okay, so number 7, we just need to figure out then.
All right. How do we figure this
I
out?
totally let us astray on that one. Sorry.
It's all right. That's kind of a weird one. I think
So
it's one of
10
those like
was
backwards
0.35.
figuring out that you have to do.
So 10 was 0.35, correct?
Yeah, that's what I have. I'm gonna try
Okay.
that one since it's different from what you put.
What do you have
0.35?
for question 7?
No, for 10. That was
10.
still 10.
Okay.
All right, so the smallest that satisfies the requirement. N satisfies the requirement. N in that equation is on the bottom, right? Yes. Okay.
That's weird. Stuff to the cabin.
You know what? It might be 40. Because if you do 1 over 4, where 4 is n, and then it needs to be at least 10, needs to be greater than or equal to 10. So if we did, oh my gosh, okay, wait. I don't know. I don't know where my brain's going with that.
Yeah, and I don't even know how to tell you to figure it out, obviously, because I did it wrong. So
No, it's not 40. Well, no. Maybe it needs to be at least 1 because it's just asking for n, it's not asking for p. And
okay,
it's
yeah.
n times p or n times 1 minus p. So if n is 1, because it can't be 0 because that'll make it 0.
Right.
So n needs to be at least 1 because then p could be 10 and that'll make it,
I'm willing to try.
I'm going to try it.
I'll try it.
I don't know.
Okay, I'll try it.
All right.
Okay,
Oh, wait.
I'm submitting.
I'm back.
Okay.
Okay.
What'd you guys put for 7?
0.35. I don't know. She'll see if it's right.
For truth here, guys.
Here we go.
Oh, wait, for 10 or for 7?
Oh, sorry. 10.
7. Okay.
I mean, 7, we
7
put
is still
1.
wrong.
Dang it.
10 is correct.
Yay.
0.35.
Yes.
All right, so here's the deal. That gives us an 88%, 88.89. All right.
Oh, wait, you got an
What?
88 on that? What
Yeah,
other
what did it
one
say?
did you miss?
I missed question 14. What the
Wait.
heck?
Is it
What do you guys have
0.011?
on 14?
Yeah, I put
What?
0.011.
0.011.
Okay, stop. Time out. What do you have? What did you put, Merritt?
I put 0.011.
Okay. Let me.
Yeah,
I'm gonna.
let's go through this, make sure we got it our numbers. So Matt, 8
Yes.
is 0.4, right?
Yeah.
And 9 is 0.1.
Yep.
10 is 0.35. Well, that's what she put. 11, 0.046.
Yep.
12, 1.091.
Yep.
13, 0.138.
Mm-hmm.
14.011. and 15 minus 1.790 and 16.037.
Yes.
Okay, so 7, we just don't know what it is.
Okay.
I'm okay with this. I'm just going to submit it. I don't care right now. It's just 1.
Cool.
Okay.
I might. Yeah.
I wonder what it is. How do you figure that out?
7 is this one. Do you understand that at all?
Yeah, well, you should have a formula for calculating.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna sit here and try to figure it out.
That was the only formula that I had to figure it out, and it was wrong. So, thank you for your answer.
What did you put in?
14. And we put in 1. 1 didn't work either.
The 14 was when we rounded
That's when we rounded up, yes.
down by 13.
I mean, I could try 13. What do I have to lose? Okay, have you submitted again, Matt?
I have not.
Okay.
Thanks.
And
Yeah, I don't know where to go with this one.
What's the smallest n that satisfies you?
what? I need you to like. Oh, you mean on 7? Oh, I thought you went like this. I'm like, okay. You see, hand me that paper, please. No, that.
Are you guys still trying to figure it out, Jennifer?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to. So we're given.
Or 4. If p is 1/4.
So P. And we are looking for.
Wow, I don't know why my brain can't just grasp that one.
So we have P, and we have. Oh, we need the smallest value of n. It has to be greater than or equal to 10, correct?
Correct.
So couldn't you do 10n equals, hold on.
Guys, you hear that helicopter by chance? Jeez.
Yeah, was that your house?
I know you think
That
I
must have
was
been
in Kuwait or
loud.
something.
Dang.
Or it's a really good microphone on my headset.
Wait, could it be 2.5?
I don't
Tell
know.
me why.
Yeah.
So I'm just thinking P over N has to be greater than or equal to 10, right?
Okay.
So 10n equals 1/4. I guess multiply that by 40. Maybe it's 40. Did we try 40?
Well, see, that's what I had kind of, that's where my brain went with it too one time. But
Yeah,
then
we talked about 40.
I don't know.
It's not
That
14 and it's not 1, by the way.
40 seems big.
I think I'm going to try it.
All right. You're only saying that because it's 3 o'clock in the morning over there right now.
Oh, it's right.
It is 40?
Is it right?
It is 40.
Melanie, you know what you're doing.
Dang it. Ah, shoot. Dang, I still question myself all the time. This sucks. All right. Well,
Oh,
that's
Matt-
good. Matt's gone.
Yeah, but I don't know if he's coming back.
Okay.
Who knows? Okay. Now, with this project,
Man.
I was talking to my daughter and she's like, simplify as much as you can. Like, do not make this difficult. Do not do anything that is really a lot of work. Are we still
Okay.
live? Do I dare say this on the video?
Yeah. Do you want me to stop it? I'll stop
Yeah.
the
Let's stop
broadcast.
with you.
Okay. Bye.